right, so I know this isn't my usual. Let me close the door actually. Move over here. Here we go. Wow. Wow. I can't be too loud at night because neighbors obviously, but oh my god, it's so hard to contain myself right now. All right, how am I gonna do this? All right, there's a little thing right here. Throw this over here. Okay, I'm probably gonna get a noise complaint for that. Apple, I thought you said this was light. Hey, listen, I know there's gonna be comments about my unironed shirt, wrinkly shirt. Listen, I'm about to go to bed. Relax, all right? Listen, I promise you I'm not this weak, okay? This is the iMac, okay? This is the front of the box, obviously. We got a top right here that says iMac, and then on the other side, I swear to God, I'm not this weak. We got this nice green baby. Oh, this is clean. All right, how do I get this thing opened up? I think there's a tab somewhere. Bro, there's no way I'm out of breath just trying to get this box open. Oh, here it is. Here we go. Also, if you see trains going in the background like right now, I apologize if you can hear the noise. But yeah, let's get this open. Oh, baby. This is the best smelling Apple product that has ever touched this channel. Oh, it smells so good. See that hello? Oh, hello. Bonjour. God, I'm telling you guys, this is the greatest Apple smelling product on this channel. Okay, what's the proper way of getting this out? I probably should not be doing this on my legs. Are you serious? Apple? This is so light. Okay, hold on. This is... Okay, first of all, my legs are in so much pain, but hello, this thing's actually incredibly light. Incredibly light. And ouch, this is so painful. Apple, is this aluminum? Because it is digging into my thumb. Okay, let's breathe for a second, okay? Let's grab it like this. Pull this over. Wow, I completely destroyed this part of the box over here. Anyway, this is the worst unboxing, I swear. Okay. Smells like nothing, surprisingly. Actually, not surprising at all. Usually, Apple products don't smell like anything. So let's go ahead and show you guys the accessories one by one. If it's not the greatest quality in what you guys see, I apologize. Like I said, it's the first time I'm unboxing like this. It's pretty chill. It's pretty chill. So we got our nice thick old power adapter here, as you can see. I'm assuming this goes into this fat braided cable over here. Woo! I've never seen a power adapter this big before. Let me go ahead and Indiana Jones, don't ever take me on an adventure, 'cause we will both get stranded. So this is the power adapter, as you can see, that plugs into the computer. Oh, you can't see because my face is focusing. This is the power adapter, as you can see. Stop focusing on me. I know I'm a beautiful human being, but I'm not the focus of the subject. So as you can see, this is the power adapter. This is the fat power brick. So I'm pretty sure the Ethernet one comes on the more expensive model. So as you guys can see, I have the base model. Let's plug this in. Okay, let's continue. So this is the beautiful Magic Mouse in the green. I'm telling you, green is the color for the spring, man. Smells like metal. Sorry, Logitech. So then, ooh, Apple, I'm telling you, if you sell this accessory separate from now on, you're gonna be rich. This is the braided lightning cable now. Dude, this is sick. Please do away with your regular lightning connectors. This is nice. If this thing costs 50 bucks, I would buy it. I mean that. Do we get any stickers? Oh, we do. And the, we get this color and the, put this there and put that there. This is a nice color. Let me show you guys. Look at the colors of these Apple stickers. These are the best looking Apple stickers since the gold ones. These are nice. Now, I know a lot of people were complaining, oh my God, look at my hands. Look how ashy these are. I'm going to the bathroom. This is unacceptable. I need some lotion. Give me that Neutrogena. I'm just kidding. I have no idea what I just put on my hands. Even though I got the base model like my buyer's guide, I upgraded $50 extra to get the Touch ID. Oop, I'm on the wrong side. It's mirrored. The Touch ID on the Magic Keyboard. Oh, this feels good. And it's matching with my color. I kind of wish I got the numpad though, because I'm a person that loves my numpad, but this is what it looks like, guys. I'm telling you, this shimmering of green is nice. Let's get this thing undressed. I probably shouldn't have used that word, but we're gonna use it anyway. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Hello. Oh my God, this is beautiful. All right, so let me turn this around. Show you guys the back. Oh my God, this is the best looking Mac I've ever seen. All right, let me peel this off. Ooh. Oh, Apple, you outdid yourself with this color. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This color is so good. Bro, how many layers you got? Got the whole shebang. There's more. Keep it coming. Wow. Listen, this is a nice color, but unfortunately it's the back, so we don't get to see it that much. But this Apple logo and this green, dude, Apple, please make these colors for your next iPhones. They will sell like hotcakes, I'm telling you. They probably already know though. Okay, now for the moment of truth, the pastel color that everyone hates that I personally love. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I forgot to smell the back. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good night. Ooh, yeah. Hey, listen, you guys are hating for no reason. This pastel is not that bad. Oh, goodness gracious. Let's boot this up. Let's boot this up. What does it smell like? Okay, so the front doesn't smell like anything. Go in. Why won't you go in? It's the perfect size. Dude, oh, it's MagSafe. It's not MagSafe, is it? Bro, this thing is locked in. It's a locked and loaded. All right, let's hit the power button. Bro, this is... Ooh. Apple, you outdid yourselves. You outdid yourselves. And this is the M1 processor. I just realized I have not talked about specs at all. Turn this on. Oh, even the background is green. Apple, I love you. Hey, I'm gonna be real. Hola. Give me all the languages. What is this? Hello. What's next? Bonjour. What's next? Okay, we're done. Wait, we're done. What's next? Ciao. I know that one. I've never used a Magic Mouse before. God, this is crisp. Oh my God. Wait, where's my volume? Oh, it's right here.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Hey, where's my languages?
若要以简体中文作为主要语言，请按下 Return 键。
Brazil. I said Brazil. I meant Portuguese. I'm sorry for everyone in Brazil.
Pressione a tecla retorno para usar o português do Brasil
como
idioma principal.
Polish.
Aby użyć polskiego jako języka głównego, naciśnij klawisz return.
Romania.
Pentru a utiliza româna ca limbă principală, apăsați tasta return.
Slovakia.
Ak chcete vybrať slovenčinu ako hlavný jazyk, stlačte kláves return.
All right, I just realized I'm yelling and I said I wasn't going to yell, but I want to test these speakers. I'm probably going to get copyright claim. This is still trending? Jesus. Come on, get to the good part. I feel like my MacBook has clearer speakers. That sounded so weird saying out loud. My MacBook sounds like it has clearer speakers. Or they're more crisp at louder volumes, or max volume. This actually seems pretty quiet. Give me in the middle. I mean, the image quality is phenomenal. Let me watch a video by myself. By myself. I meant of myself. That should be the proper name. Ooh, what we all need to hear.
So this video is not going to be my typical laptop review videos. This video is not for tech enthusiasts because I feel as though people are blinded by spec sheets and benchmarks, which I will say, for these chips in particular, kind of matter.
But, ooh, God, I love this wallpaper. Woo! Apple. Standing ovation. Standing ovation. Oh, standing ovation, baby. Apple. Apple, you did a good job. With this machine, you did a good job. I don't care that these bezels are white. If they were black, my unboxing experience will still be the same. I honestly don't even notice them. I kind of wish that this part was like some type of like wirelessly charging pad, because you know you have your AirPods, you have your iPhones now that can be charged wirelessly. Maybe your Magic Mouse, you know, could have been charged wirelessly. I don't know, just putting that out there. But yeah, I do think that this is a nice machine, Apple. Like, I'm so glad you brought back the colors from the G3 days. Really makes it have your own personality. Also, I just think it just makes using a computer more exciting. It's not like this, man. Ugh. Hey, no disrespect to Acer, because I know, listen, just no disrespect to Acer. Listen, I love my black, my red, all those good stuff, but you know, sometimes I'm just trying to have some fun. I'm trying to have some fun with my colors. And look at this back. Oh my God, Apple. Oh my God. I didn't even check out the swiveling. Let me check out the swiveling. Smooth. 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 Apple, the only thing you are missing, actually there are probably a lot of things you're missing, but the thing that you're missing from me as a regular consumer, ow, my chest hurts beating on my chest like that. Please make your screen touch screen. Do you know how much market share you could get just from having a touch screen? My God, Apple, you're slacking. Days thing kind of wobbly though. Bro, I'm such in a good mood. I'm supposed to be going to sleep in like 13 minutes. I'm in such a good mood. Whoa, you're exposing me like, dang, look at this. What the heck? Look at these. Yo, look at these bags though. Look at these bags though. What the? Oh my God. Anyway, guys, please let me know what you guys think of this unboxing experience. Like I said, it's not my traditional one where, you know, there's a desk, you know, you got that nice background behind me. Like I said, this was pretty much last minute. I was just so excited that I got this. Thank you, FedEx. You are a godsend. But yeah, this is a unbelievable machine. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or anything that I should do with this iMac that you guys are interested in, please let me know down in the comments below. Anyway, I appreciate every sub, like, and comment. And as always, guys, be grateful for what you have. Why am I dumb? Someone in the comments tell me why I'm so dumb. I should have got an AppleCare. Why do I always try to be so fancy on camera? Like, I just don't understand. I could have just left it at that, but for some reason I wanted to throw the mouse up in the air, dropped on the ground. Something else dropped on the ground in the middle of this video. I mean, the mouse is fine, but hey. Anyway, guys, I'm shutting this computer down. I'm going to bed. It's 10:22. People are going to be like, oh my God, you're such a grandpa. You need to be sleeping at like 1 a.m. Listen, sleep is good, all right? Don't be sleeping on sleep. Inception. Hey, don't forget, if you are complaining about how my shirt is not ironed, I am going to bed. I'm not trying to impress anyone on the internet or in my apartment. I'm literally just trying to go and walk around my apartment clothed, okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.